Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to create a group on Telegram. So firstly open Telegram. Now here click on this menu icon. Now here guys you will see in this left side panel new group. Click on it. Give name for your group. Then click on next. You can add a member from this list. Then click on create. So this way guys you can create a group in Telegram. You created a group. Groups can have up to 2 lakh members. Persistent chat history, public links such as .me title, admins with different rights. So this is the way you can create a group on Telegram. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe the channel.